shoes makes a man. Well, tires makes a car. A clean shiny car with dull shabby tires looks like something is missing. Wavex Tyre Shine takes care of that aspect. Wavex Tyre Guard is a solvent-based tire dressing. It makes the tires super black just like factory fresh with excellent durability. It does not makes the tires sticky, greasy and dust magnets just like other polishes, but will give smooth, even, new-looking shine. Wavex Tyre Guard also protects these surfaces from ozone, UV and oxidation, and increases the life of tires by lubrication. See the brake dust. After applying, wait for some time. Now lift excess with Wavex microfiber cloth. Wavex Tyre Guard is available in multiple pack sizes. Check out its after effect. No water can affect the tires now. It made the tires hydrophobic. See you again with a new video. Take care. Bye bye.